right, call me crazy Canadian, but I have decided to leave winter. I have not been able to fly in almost 2 months because of bitterly cold weather and a lot of snow. So I have decided to drive until there is no longer any snow. There we go, big adventure. I have been driving for 8 hours and there's still snow. See that? There's snow everywhere. But I am determined. I am going to make it to where there is no snow. Adventure on! Okay, 20 hours. 20 hours to no snow. God. It took me 2 days, well, 2.5 days to drive down here. I tell you, that was a long drive, man. A lot of snow, a lot of really bad weather. But here I am, flying in the desert. It was something that was always on my bucket list, and now I can say I've done it. So I am in Maricopa, Arizona. Down there is Casa Grande or something like that. And then over here is Phoenix, is way off in the horizon.